Hi, my name is Leah Santa Cruz, and I'm a meditation teacher and mindfulness coach. I've been meditating for much of my life and teaching for the last few years. And here are 3 really important tips for beginners to get you started on your meditation journey today. The first and very most important one is to know that you're not trying to stop your thoughts. I know it sounds really counterintuitive, but the way to get your mind-body system to relax and create more space between thoughts is by welcoming your thoughts. Invite them all in, bring it on, because when you can bring that relaxed, welcoming attitude to your mind, then things just start to flow out. Your body starts to heal itself. Thoughts will start to release and create more space on their own, but not because you tried to force it. So welcome your thoughts. That's number 1. Just notice them. The second most important thing is to give yourself just a few minutes a day to start. Don't try to overdo it by sitting for an hour and straining to meditate. You don't want to strain or fight at all. It's all about being in a relaxed state and should feel a little enjoyable. So give yourself 3 minutes if you need. Set a timer. You could work your way to 5 minutes, 7, 10, eventually after 20 minutes. You might do 20 minutes twice a day eventually, but give yourself time to get there. So don't overdo it. Do a little less than you think is necessary, but have fun with it. So the third most important tips for beginners is to try out a technique. It could be focusing on your breath. It could be focusing on a sound or a mantra. It could be focusing on just parts of your body or a piece of music that you really love. So try out various types of techniques. There's no one right way to meditate. It's about what works for you, works for you. You might not even need a technique at all. Those first 2 steps could be just enough for you. To get started or to find out more about meditation, you can find me at Leah Santa Cruz on Facebook, at Lasant on Instagram, or you can check out some of my guided meditations at leahsantacruz.com.